In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign up for Grammarly, a powerful writing assistant that can help enhance your writing skills. Whether you're looking to polish your professional emails, ace your academic papers, or simply sound more polished in your everyday writing, Grammarly is a valuable tool to have in your digital toolkit. So, let's dive in and get you started on this journey to clearer and more effective communication. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to grammarly.com. It's as simple as typing the URL into your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, you'll notice a large green button that says Get Grammarly, and right next to it, a note that mentions it's free. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also look for the Sign Up button located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Either option will kickstart the sign-up process, so go ahead and click on the one that catches your eye. Now, with the initial step out of the way, it's time to choose your authentication method. Grammarly offers several fast-track sign-up options, allowing you to link the service with credentials you already use. If speed and convenience are what you're after, consider using Single Sign-On. You can do this by clicking on the Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook buttons. This method seamlessly connects Grammarly to your existing profile, sparing you from the hassle of creating a new password. However, if you prefer to keep things separate, you can opt for the email registration method. Simply type your preferred email address into the input field and click Continue. After this, you'll be prompted to create a password and enter your name, setting up your new Grammarly account from scratch. Once your account is set up, Grammarly will guide you through a brief onboarding questionnaire. This step is optional, but it's incredibly useful for tailoring Grammarly's AI suggestions to your specific writing style and needs. You'll be asked questions like, what do you write for most, with options such as work, school, or other projects. Following this, Grammarly will inquire about your primary writing goals, offering choices like improving my spelling, grammar, sounding more professional, or sounding like a native English speaker. If you're in a hurry or simply not interested in these customizations, you can click Skip at the bottom of these screens and jump straight into using the app. The final step in the sign-up process involves choosing your plan level. After you complete or skip the questionnaire, you'll land on a page showcasing Grammarly's subscription tiers. Here, you have the option to stick with Grammarly Free, which covers baseline grammar, spelling, punctuation, and tone detection. If you're looking for more advanced features, you might consider Grammarly Premium. This tier offers advanced style adjustments, plagiarism checks, full sentence rewrites, and additional AI tokens, giving you even more tools to refine your writing. And there you have it. You're all set to start using Grammarly and explore all the ways it can improve your writing. Whether you choose the free version or decide to go premium, Grammarly is designed to help you write with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.